Hey, I'm Mechanic Mike from Riverside Metro Auto Group Service Center, and this is Maintenance Minute. When it comes to your safety and peace of mind, no part of your car is more important than your brakes. Cars are big, heavy machines, and brake pads are what brings them to a stop when you need them to. Old brake pads wear down with use and over time get thinner and may cause damage to your brake rotors, making repairs more costly. Your brakes may get noisy or feel like they're pulsating. Overall, if your brakes feel like they're responding poorly, they should be inspected. Our factory-trained technicians will make sure your brakes are replaced using only approved OEM parts. It's important to get the whole brake system inspected, not just the pads. We also inspect the rotors, calipers, brake lines, master cylinder, and anti-lock brake systems. All of these components work together to make sure your car stops when it should. I'm Mechanic Mike, and this has been your Maintenance Minute.